guys, so this is the PG block of St. Joseph's University. Here are all the PG programs of arts and sciences, humanities, all of that. So let's take you inside. So guys, we have Garima with us and she is a PG student as SJU. She's going to tell her experience of housing university and she'll take us around.
Hi guys, I'm Garima Jain and I've recently joined St. Joseph University. So I am not going to show you the college. We will explore it together because I am a beginner at this university and I'm doing my advertising and PR.
So let's go. Garima, will you show us the campus around?
So guys, today kuch mango related something is going on and we have 3 to 4
Mango
stalls and we will check out the stalls.
Yes, come.
It's a mango custard.
You want to tell us about what is this Mango Fest and what are you guys selling? Anyway.
Today is the mango day, so we are celebrating. We are the food science and technology students, so we are celebrating this as a putting a stall. It's a mango tango. It's a mango custard basically. We are selling this for 45 rupees.
There are
Okay.
some games are conducted front side also. You can go and try.
What type of games are those?
It's all based on the mango.
Okay. That's quite interesting.
Fruit juices, all based on those things.
Okay. Yes, for sure. We'll try.
3 stalls based on foods. That is, one is mango must, that is charts. The other two are sweets. You can try both of them actually.
Sure. Thank
Everything
you.
is based on mango.
Okay, alright. So guys, as you can see, this is the PG building and it's all yellow. There's some Mango Fest also going on. So let's come inside, let's see the classes. And there's that cute kitty also roaming. I feel like every college has kitties. So guys, let's explore the canteen part of it, and this is a very good campus. I feel like the vibe is really amazing. People are having fest. This is Vibha and she's going to show us the canteen around. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Vibha. I do my master's in APR. Yeah, so I'm kind of new to this place, but I'll show you still because
Would you want to tell what is APR?
So it's advertising and
PR.
public relations.
Okay.
Yeah, I spend most of my time here, so in the
Sure.
canteen. So we. Here we can sit also.
This is a very nice place to just for students to chill and relax.
Yeah, kind of because there's
And
a lot of trees, sort of like.
And this whole is the canteen.
yeah, that's the kind.
Okay.
So we have like sitting areas and everything here, so you can sit. And this is our canteen.
So as we can see, there are different areas, different options to eat. So guys, let's go and have a look at the classes. So what are the timings of your classes, Vibha?
It's from 7 to 12. Yeah.
7 to 12, okay, for PG.
Yes.
And do you have an idea about UG? What are their timings?
No idea.
No idea, okay. So this is the class area.
This is the first floor.
This is the first floor that has labs and everything.
Yeah. We don't venture to that side. Classes like that.
So there are still classes going on and let's not disturb them because someone told me that there are batches from 7 to 12 continuously from like 12 to 5, 5 to 9. So let's go and have a look at other floors.
So this is the second floor. Our seniors are on the third floor.
Okay, so the first years in the department, in which department?
APR.
In the advertising and PR department, they are on the first
Yeah.
floor and the seniors are on
On
the
the third
third floor. And
Yeah.
second floor is for?
I have no idea.
Okay, second floor is also
It's just that
for-
we have both. We have all masks.
So it's equally distributed among different floors.
Yes.
Okay, and this is also the physics research lab is there. Research lab I can see.
Yeah, so the good thing about this college is that you have a lot of fresh air. You don't
Yeah.
feel hot. You do not need fan or something.
Yeah.
You just have a lot of trees where you don't feel hot. These are the other classes. And that's the bell that's rung. So we can go from second floor to the ground floor. Canteen this way.
This is the canteen area. We can go from here also to the canteen, and the bell has just rung. So the class got over, I believe.
Kind of.
Now let's show you one of the classrooms. And this is the corridor area. I feel it's very, airy, as
Yeah.
Vibha also said. And it's just to just walk around, just with our own thoughts, I believe. So guys, this was the skywalk. We came here from the PG block to this UG block from Skyview. It's been built for some security and safety reasons. So let's go around the UG block now. As you can see, this is the stationery. People can buy anything required or get the printouts. Hi guys, so we have
Manish.
Manish with us, and he's going to share his experience about the college, what he's been studying, and how is the entire campus life on college.
Okay, I joined St. Joseph's University in 2022. Ours was the first batch of university.
Oh, alright.
And I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in science. Physics and maths is my combination. The experience has been pretty cool because 4 days out of 6 in a week are half days for us. Only 2 are full days.
Okay.
So I'm enjoying the timetable, and for me personally, I meet and speak with a lot of people. So college has given me diversity of people coming from different backgrounds, different cultures. So it's a great experience to be studying here, to be interacting with these people, timetable students, staff, everyone in the staff, the teaching staff, non-teaching staff are approachable, they are fun to be around. Everything is great, the weather is great, you have a
Yeah.
lot of greenery in this campus.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you're finding it really interesting and exciting.
Very much.
Thank you so much, Manish.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So guys, this is the parking area. You can go and just park your vehicles around for the students and for the parents or the guests. So this is the UG block, and we can see there's a lot of crowd. Guys, this is the sitting area. People can just come here. This is the sports ground. A lot of activities, a lot of sports that are happening here. People are practicing. So this is the sitting area. People, as you can see, after classes, they're just sitting here, relaxing, just talking with their friends and having conversations. And a lot of wind is also blowing. The weather is super. Guys, there are different blocks here. We saw the PG block. We are inside the UG one. We saw the Arupe block as well, and now we are going to the Majors block. Guys, as you can see, this is a very giant banyan tree. I've been told by students around that they usually sit here after classes, have conversations. We can see already many students are sitting here just relaxing, and it's a perfect weather to just chill down.
Hello, I'm Sharanya. I'm actually currently pursuing my final year. I've taken electronics and computer science. Speaking about college campus, it's actually really great. I mean, this campus provides us a lot of opportunities. Like, there's so many associations, there's so many things. We have fests, we have Pratibha, we have Visages, we have DJ nights. So campus life is basically fun and chill.
Sorry. Thanks a lot. This is the basketball court, and it's locked as of now. This is the Majus block and we just went inside. Now let's go. This is the church area and this is the gents hostel. People are actually like practicing and making content here like me. So guys, this was St. Joseph's University. As you all can see, we covered each and every area in this university. It's very huge, it's very pretty. We talked with a lot of students out there, and you should check out their website for more information. If you want any other college vlogs, if you have any requests, you can leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.